Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my new podcast show. I am Dustin, the host of this show. Today, I am going to share an interesting topic with you all. Are you facing any kind of problems with your rubber roof and want to get it repaired? Get in touch with the best roofing professionals from Empire Contractors in Kent City, Michigan. Their roofers have the necessary knowledge to deal with any kind of roofing issues. They will work diligently and use the best quality materials to fix your roofing issues. They provide customer support 24/7 for their clients. They also provide other roofing services like leak detection, restoration, replacement, etc. To hire their roofers, contact them now on 2318-617-2221. Or visit www.roofsbyempire.com to know more. Thank you everyone for listening to my podcast till the end. Soon I will be back with something new. Till then, stay safe.